Now in statistics, exercise 8.1, fifth sum. In fifth sum, the question is, find the variance and standard deviation of the wages of 9 workers given below. Totally, they have given the wages of the 9 workers. So, rupees 310 for first worker, rupees 290 for second worker, rupees 320 for third worker, rupees 280 for fourth worker, rupees 300 for fifth worker, rupees 320 for seventh worker, rupees 310 for eighth worker, rupees 280 for ninth worker. So totally in the question what they are asking is, we need to find the variance and standard deviation of the wages. So totally 9 workers wages, the wages would be considered as Xi. So first, what is the prerequisite is, we need to arrange it in ascending order. So arrange it in ascending order. The numbers, first number, lowest number, we need to start it. We need to start from lowest to highest. So lowest number is what? 280. 280. Next one is 280. Next one is 290. 290. Next one is what? 300. Next one is 310. 310. Next one is 320. So now 310, 310, 320. Two 320s are there. So two 320. So now what we need to do is, we need to consider this as Xi. Xi. The next one is dA equal to Xi minus A. A is said to be as assumed mean. The next one is sigma di square. Sorry, only di square we need to do it. Di square. Sigma means it will be mentioned as addition, summation. So first 280, 280, 290, 290, 300, 310, 310, 320, 320. We need to cross verify whether 9 workers wages are available or not. Wages would be considered as Xi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we need to say the assumed mean. We need to find it out the assumed mean. Assumed means, how you need to find out the assumed mean? Totally how many workers they have given? 9 workers. 9 divided by 2. How much? 4 2s are 8. Balance 1. Point. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1 means 1 0. So 5 2s are 10. So 4.5. So 4.5 means it will be considered around, we need to do approximately. So if we do approximately, it will come as 5. So first, second, third, fourth, 5. This is 5. So assumed mean is 300. So now here what you need to mention is dA equal to Xi minus 300. So here 280, we need to substitute Xi as 280. 280 only is there. So 280 minus 300 minus 20. Next one, 280 minus 300 minus 20. 290, we need to substitute here 290. 290 minus 300 minus 10. 290 minus 300 minus 10. 300 minus 300 is 0. 310 minus 300 is 10. 310 minus 300 is 10. 320 minus 300 is how much? 20 plus 20. 320 minus 300 plus 20. Okay. Now we need to do the square. Minus 20 whole square how much? Like that we need to do the square. Minus 20 square is how much? 400. Minus 20 square is 400. Minus 10 square is 100. Minus 10 square is 100. 0 square 0. 10 square 100. Here 10 square 100. 20 square 400. Here 20 square 400. So now what we need to do is we need to add these numbers and we need to keep it as sigma di, that is summation di. So summation di is how much? Summation di square is how much? Minus 20 plus 20 cancel, minus 20 plus 20 cancel, 10 minus 10 cancel, plus 10 minus 10 is cancel. So 0. Now next one is d square, we need to add the entire thing. 400 plus 400, 800. 800 plus 100, 900. 900 plus 100, 1000. This one, how much it will come? If we add 800, 900, 1000. 1000, 1000, 2000. 2000. Sigma di square equal to 2000. So now what we need to do is, how many wages are there? So totally n equal to 9. N equal to 9. So now what is the formula for variance? Variance equal to sigma di square by n minus sigma di by n whole square. Sigma di square is how much? 2000 by n is how much? Totally how many is there? N equal to 9. N equal to 9. So 9 minus sigma di how much? 0. So 0 by 9 whole square. This is 0. 2000 divided by 9 is how much? Rough column I am using. 2000 divided by 9 is 2 9s are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. 0. 2 9s are 18. 2 0. This 0 we are at. 2 9s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. So no zeros is there. Point we need to mention 0. 2. Again 2 only it will come. So 222. Variance equal to 222.22. Now what is the formula? First, now we have found out the value of variance. Next is we need to find the standard deviation. What is the formula for standard deviation? Standard deviation equal to square root variance equal to square root 222.22. Now we need to find out the square root of 222.22. 222.22. So 222.22 is rough column I am using. 222.22. 1. How we can able to multiply? 1 into 1, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2, 2. We need to downstairs. Now, 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Now, how much we need to do it? Here, whatever the number we are going to mention, the same number you need to mention it here. For example, if you are mentioning 5, here also we need to make 5. So, 5 into 25 is how much? 125. So, it's not possible at all. So, now what we need to do? 4. If you put 4 into 24, same 4 you need to mention. 4 into 24, 96. Now, 122 minus 96 is how much? 26. Here we need to down the 2. Now, point. We need to mention it. So, now here again we need to down the 2. Now, point we have mentioned. So, 4 plus 24, how much? 28. So, 28. Here, which number we can mention? Whatever the number we are mentioning here, the same number if you mention, while we are multiplying this number with this number, it should be equally come with less than number, this number 2622. So, how much it will come? 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are. So, 9, similar to 9 it will come, I guess. 9. Here, 9. 9 into 9, 81. Balance 8. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 8, 80. Balance 8. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8, 26. So now, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Then next, what will be the square root is approximately 14.9. This is the standard deviation value. This is the standard deviation value. Variance is 222.22. That's all about this problem.